Okay, today I'm going to talk about the Rcbo and this device. That's Rcbo, and also this one. It's the same thing. Just two different versions that I got from China. Okay, so what you need to know about RCBO stands for Residual Circuit Breaker with Overcurrent Protection. If current is flowing through live and is going to the device, then it's supposed to flow back to neutral to return. So, but if it goes to the device and it does not flow back to neutral completely, then it will take it as a ground fault, which means maybe electric shock. And this is just a hybrid between MCB and earth leakage device. So it will function as MCB to protect against overcurrents and excess of voltage. It will function as ALCB as ground fault protection. Now, if you actually look close, you see all the informations are here. It takes about 400 volts at maximum, 50 hertz or 60 hertz. So it's the same thing with this one. This one is just a simpler design, but I'm going to test them and I'll show you that they both work exactly the same way. Unlike this one that has a reset button, that's the reset button. So if it trips, you can actually reset it. Like right now, it's on, and then you just turn it off. Well, if it trips by itself, then this reset button will flip up, and then you have to press it back before it will go up. Okay, that's how this particular one works. All right, so this guy here is different. This is a test button. This is just the only button you see here, just a test button. It's if it flips, there is no button to reset it. It's just going to trip. So when you flip it back, that's its reset. Yes. So this one is more compact. It's smaller. It's cheaper. But you see that the input side is 35 mm and the output side is 35 mm. So for this kind of advantage, but they both have the same code, the same information. It's still 30 milliamp and trip at 0.1 second. You can simulate earth faults. You can simulate earth faults by pressing it. When you press it, it will kind of touch itself inside, as though, or it kind of creates a situation whereby the live or neutral is touching something other than returning the current to the other side. So it will flip. It is exactly the same thing that you see if you touch it to earth. So whenever the current flows to something else that is not other than live and neutral, it will flip. So I'm just going to do the basic wiring. There will be input wire coming from the top, and the output wire which is going to the load.
One is connected
will be at the bottom,
and this is connected to 4.
And I will also connect the earthing.
And this one is live.
What I'm going to do is to touch the live or neutral with the earth, and
I'll touch them together.
It should flip.
Watch. You see, because the wire was thin and it actually flipped. So all you have to do is reset it again. So instead of letting it happen to the load, or in the case of if electric shock, it's it's already on reset. All you have to do is to turn it back on and the light will come on. Watch. Exactly. But you don't need to do that anymore. All you have to do is to test once in a month. If you press this thing, it's the same thing as what I just did. If you press test, that will happen, and that does not need to happen. Okay. Button. All you have to do is take it off. That's the reset button. So you see, so if I turn it back on,